WITBLOX's robotics kit, which has like 101 plus DIY projects. So this is the video about. Hope you like this. So let's get started.
So we're gonna open this. Ready for the reveal?
Dun,
There
dun.
we go. So the inside looks like this.
Oh my god.
So there's this.
One sec. There's something.
Alright.
A smart study lamp and a robotic car.
And then there's something over here.
Oh, it's
called
a-
robotic car.
It's a kit.
And look at this.
There are multiple things.
There are multiple kits over here. There's a badge. There is a badge.
These are some robotics things, which I don't know mostly. These are, I think, motors, and these are some
These are
things.
wheels.
Duct tape, etc., etc., etc. I cannot think. So 1 second. Let me just read this.
Alright.
Remove the
Pins.
tool. Take this, sir. Take this, sir. You want this?
What to do with this? So this is like a manual, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a smart study lamp,
Build a sunrise.
a torch, blowhorn, alarm. It's the same thing. That's the same thing. Oh, here is a robotic car. It's too complicated, bro, for a small mind. Automatic sharpener? Whoa. Racing car, that's the same thing. Magician's robot. Follow me. These are all the same thing.
Oh my god.
Okay.
But not
now I
this.
understood. A cliff avoider robot, a line follower robot, a obstacle avoider robot. That's it. That's it. There are multiple of this. So what are we gonna do today then? What are we gonna make? Looks
Have a
complicated.
choice.
I say study lamp.
Yeah. Fine.
So you just
So we're gonna open this now.
here, and we're gonna keep it here. Okay, guys. So we're gonna open this. Okay, this is too sticky.
Oof.
I just broke the part. I just broke the part.
Handle it with care. It's like foam.
And now I just
Oh, so sad. Oh.
just keep on.
Oh. There is foam, right?
Yeah.
Wait, it kind of looks like.
No, I think I think we have to remove
I'm
this.
gonna open this manual just in case. Oh, it's done.
We have to open this. Are you gonna help us?
Yeah.
Or no? Just
Sure.
gonna read the.
Why
No,
not?
this thing just popped off.
Right here. Move on.
You just say the steps.
Okay. Oh, this is not the thing. Oh.
It's behind. I just saw that.
This is the
It's the
robot.
first one. It's the first robot.
Alright, here. Steps to make your smart study lamp. Alright?
So what are the these are
So there are like 11 steps on 2 pages.
the first step is take this thingy. I don't know what to name this.
Okay.
And just
Wait, I'm just gonna.
not this. This
So
one.
step 1 is to take all of these
Oh
stuff.
my god. There are millions of parts here and I don't know what part to fix what. Is this the same thing?
I don't know.
So first we have to fit this kind of thing to one of the sides like this,
Yeah.
as
As
see
it
in the
shows.
manual. And
And
the
then-
second thingy, I think it's this
We
one.
take these 2 of these and then step it.
Yeah, like this one. Only
This one, black
One.
one.
Okay, just please.
You just keep it
Wait.
inside.
I think
You just
it's a lot of attaching, which I don't like.
I love attaching games.
You love attaching? Then you don't, why don't you attach this?
Yay! Then we do this.
It's kind of shocking that I only completed one side until now.
No, wait. Yeah, next we do this and keep it like
Which side? Yeah.
at the
Okay.
on the front.
Top part.
Yeah. Okay, come to
So we
step
take
6.
this one.
Step 6 is take one of these. One of these kind of like things.
One
And
of
then attach it
this thingy.
right over like
Here?
I guess. Yeah,
like
right
this.
there. Yes.
Like this to start.
Right. Next one is this.
What is this shape? It's like some cross.
And then attach it to this one.
I understood by the shape it looks. It's too difficult to fit this through this. Oh, I have an idea. I have a brilliant idea.
What?
Remove,
Oh. Okay.
put.
Okay. I think let's do the next step.
What's the next one?
Then keep this one
See?
right over here, like this. Okay. To the front.
Oh, it's this one.
Alright. Just like this, as it's shown.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, now I need to figure out what thingy I have to place where.
Next.
Where's the kit?
I don't know. Okay.
Get that thingy.
This.
Now,
Yeah.
wait, let me just think. What?
Alright, the menu.
One second. Where is the menu? Where is the menu? I need to know what thingy does what.
like
I want to
this.
know what thingy does what. So this power thing.
So,
Okay, I understood what the power thing is. We have many extensions. I don't know what is this thing you call. Input is distance and dark. It senses darkness and senses something in front of me.
Okay.
There's nothing in front of that thing. If you say yes, I say no. And if you say no, I say yes.
So
Kind of
that's
like opposite.
Yeah, opposites.
Output is lamp, buzzer, or something. Motor. This is a motor.
Yeah.
Sound, light. As you
Okay.
can see that now.
So
I think I understand what. I think we have to attach this back.
We
Wait.
need the I think it's so hard. Attach the battery.
I
on
don't
the
like
back.
attaching batteries, you know. That's what I don't like about batteries. Yeah, this is.
I think you need to go. You need this one,
Oh, it's
right?
attached to
I'm
this.
guessing.
What is this? Lamp? Oh yeah, because it's
Need
a
that.
lamp.
Yeah.
We need lamp. We don't need buzzers.
You need darkness.
Yeah, because it senses dark. I think that's it.
Inverter. That's it. Yeah.
Wait, let me
You
see.
need inverter. Now, I guess.
Oh, this thing is also there. This mini extension thingy.
Okay.
Okay, slowly remove and put it aside.
Oh.
This thingy fell.
Okay. If you like.
So I just kept
like
it
that.
like this.
Should keep it like that.
And then
Through the hole over here.
And then by the thingy, I think we have to attach the
Dark
Dark.
sensor. Next to the lamp.
No, I don't think it's lamp.
Then we
No, it's this thingy.
Yes.
The mini extensions.
Next, where does this go? In this hole.
Oh my god, it's too hard to attach this one.
Next. So we
And
add
then
the dark
I'll
one.
keep it through this
We add.
because I can't do that.
Okay. Next is the lamp. The
Where should I attach
final
this?
lamp.
There is a hole here. I'm just gonna attach it here.
Over there.
Just put it here.
What? I think both come.
I cannot even find that. Complete.
Okay, last.
So we need the lamp. Where?
Here is the lamp.
Yeah, thank you.
Like right on this part.
I'm gonna put it like this.
Okay.
I must test this if it works.
If you like.
So I just kept
like
it
that.
like this.
Should keep it like that.
And then
Through the hole over here.
by the thingy, I think we have to attach the
Dark
Dark.
sensor. Next to the lamp.
No, I don't think it's lamp.
Then we
No,
keep.
it's this thingy.
Yes.
The mini extensions.
Next, where does this go? In this hole.
Oh my god, it's too hard to attach this one.
Next. So we
And
add
then
the dark
I'll
one.
keep it through this
We add.
because I can't do that.
Okay. Next is the lamp. The
Where should I attach
final
this?
lamp.
There is a hole here. I'm just gonna attach it here.
Over there.
Just put it here.
What? I think both come.
I cannot even find that. Complete.
Okay, last.
So we need the lamp. Where?
Here is the lamp. this part.
I'm gonna put it like this.
Okay.
I must test this if it works. So, off the 3. This may work. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it produces light.
Because there is light here. So,
Now quickly go down to light.
3, 2, 1. Yes, this works.
Yay!
Woohoo! So this
Oh,
experiment is a success. Oh,
this
decreases
thing.
and
increases. Oh wow.
this
That's
thingy-
cool.
That's cool. You can study in the darkness too. Wow.
Now that the product.
Clap for this lamp. And now on the lights. I think if we add the invert, it'll on this when the light is on.
Wait.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and don't forget to comment, subscribe, share and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. So bye.